So firstly, how to connect a motor to the physio dispenser. There is a red point here. You have to match the same red point on the connector. Just push it in. To remove, you have to just pull it out. So back side you have two connections, one for the foot switch, one for the power supply. So this is the foot switch connector, which is like VGA cable. You have to see the connection, match this cable into the connector, connect and tighten it. So that it will not be having a loose connection. Power cable to the power socket. How to connect a saline tube. So these are the saline tube comes with the package. One end goes to the saline bottle, another end goes to the handpiece. So in between these two connections there is a soft rubber where you have to place it into the saline motor. Unlock, hold the both ends, place it inside, pull it out. So the saline bottle connection will come backside the physio dispenser, and the motor connection comes in front of the physio dispenser. Just place it, pull both the ends, lock it. So how to connect a 20:1 handpiece to the motor. So this is the motor. There is a safety pin in the handpiece. There is also a groove over there. You have to place the handpiece and give a slight rotation where you can hear the click sound. So that handpiece is locked. If the handpiece is not in the position, when it is rotating, it is not the right position, then the fiber optic will not be able to operate. When it goes to the position, then only the fiber optic, the light will emit. So this is how you have to connect the handpiece. Place it, give slight rotation, click sound, then it is locked.